On your vendor admin page, under your Brand and Media tab, you have the ability to add a video to your business profile. The video can be a commercial done professionally as well as an at-home video of you talking about your business and your mission. It'll show up on both your map profile and your full profile for consumers to see. The video is best served if you first process it through YouTube, Vimeo, or any other streaming service. Once it's been processed on that platform, you can copy and paste the link and add it to your profile here. I'm going to give a quick tutorial on how to do that on YouTube. On YouTube, you'll either have to sign in or create an account and sign in. From there, you'll click the Create button and upload a video. You can select files or you can drag and drop. The video will begin to process. While it's processing, you can change the title, add a description, and then they have further selections down below. You'll have to select yes or no, it's made for children. You can show more options and scroll down and read through the different options and choose the ones that you wish. Back up above, you'll want to pick a thumbnail. You won't be able to do this while the video is processing. You'll have to come back to it. You can click Next and it'll go to Video Elements. You do not have to add the elements, but if you'd like, you can learn how to do this and add what you would like. Next, you'll have the checks. It'll tell you that it will check your video before it is published. Again, click the Next button. Then you'll have to put private, unlisted, or public. For your commercial, it is most likely going to be a public video. Then you'll hit Publish. From here, you can use to copy and paste this link. These little squares will copy it. Hit Close. If you'd like to go back eventually and change that thumbnail, you'll have to wait a few moments until it's ready. You can click on the video once again, and eventually it'll come back and you can choose between which thumbnail you want. After you change it, you will hit the Save button. When you have that link that you've copied, you'll go back to Pinpoint and you'll put the link in the little bar and hit Paste. From there, you'll hit Add Video. Your video is now added.